Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another File side-by-side video. 110 Land Rover Defender, and this thing has just had a brand new chassis. Let me just turn it off. Yep, this 110 has just had a brand new galvanised chassis. It's a 14-year-old and it had rotted out. So it's got a brand spanking new chassis on it. It is stunning. It's a 110 with the Ford Puma 2.2 in it. And this thing is now going to last a long time. It's just been cavity waxed and LANOGUARDed to try and preserve it for a few more years. As you can see, it's an absolutely stunning Land Rover. I've just spent probably 2 hours filling every single cavity with LANOGUARD and cavity waxes. I know it's galvanised, but let's give it a fighting chance and stop any corrosion from even starting, being as this thing has cost thousands of pounds to restore. Everything you can see dripping is excess that's coming out of all the panels. Yeah, this thing is a really nice example of a 110. All the inside's been done, everything has been done on this one. Still got to put the rear seats in it. But it's a really nice example. And it's come down from Scotland to be done. I don't know what the mileage is on it. It's not even got 75,000 miles on it. This has got years left in it. Yep, I'm really pleased how it's turned out. It's a really nice example now. If he doesn't get another 25 years out of this, I'd be surprised. Anyhow, that's another job finished. It's now ready to go back on the road. Yeah, this thing will see him proud for years to come.